All right, here's a little puppy update. We have, these are Luna's puppies, 3 girls and 1 boy. They're about 2.5 weeks. This is the boy. We'll see how my lighting is. Eyes open. And then, did I wake you up? This is the girl. Different markings. Remember, I do expect these colors to lighten up quite a bit. And we've got these 2 girls who, I say this one has more like spots and a white, mostly white tail. And the sister has more markings and kind of a, I say a tiger stripe tail. So we'll look at this girl first. She's turning her head. Can't see you. Okay, let's see. See her sister. So there they are. And then we have the other litter. We've introduced the litter box here. So Francine and Pepper are just sharing these puppies. Let's see if I can get some good video. So there's 1 smooth coat, and it's a girl. So 1 girl, 3 long coat boys, and this one was 1 boy and 3 girls. So kind of the opposite here. So this is, call her the Pepper Jack puppy, just from Pepper and Jack. There she is. Is that your puppy? And this is long coat boy. Everyone has their eyes open now. And their pigment will darken up. And let's see here. Oh. Trying to reach in. This boy is kind of red. One more. Excuse me, Mama. I'll let her finish cleaning him. Hi, Pepper. So, and I have updated our deposit list pretty accurately. I've heard from most people, and I do expect to have quite a few puppies available, even if you have not yet placed a deposit in November. And I'm sorry we only have 1 smooth coat. I was kind of surprised because 2 of the moms are smooth coats, and we got 1 smooth coat. So next time we are anticipating having a lot more smooth coats. So that'll be, hopefully we'll have more puppies available to offer in February. Okay, let me get you. Your head is way up. This is the other boy. Let's see. I wonder if I can put him up on the table. Maybe he'll put his head down a little more. Yeah, what do you think about that? Oh, the lighting is not good. So someday I'll figure out how to hold them with 1 hand so they're more comfortable, but they're just starting to get around. They'll be more active probably next week. They're just fat and happy here. So not much to talk about right now, but I just know if you're interested in a puppy, it's a good opportunity because I do expect to have a good selection available. If you're interested in a long coat, there's, with just their one being only 1. Sorry, I'm mumbling my words. Need more coffee. With only 1 smooth coat, she will be less likely to be available, but we'll offer her to those on our deposit list first if we decide to offer her to a pet home. Starting to play around. Won't be long before they start climbing out of the pen here. Anyway, if you're interested in more information, please visit our website. And the first step in pursuing a puppy is to fill out a puppy application through our website. All right, be sure to like our videos, subscribe to our channel if you like to see videos, and stay tuned for more puppy fun.